Let's drop down to the 4 hour and I'll bring over my levels on the top down analysis and I'll give you my entire breakdown on where I'm anticipating price going for the week. We look at the previous day high at 67.3150 on the ES, previous day low is 66.8725, and the 50% or daily fib at 67.0950. That's essentially our dealing range as well, as we have a chessboard high and a chessboard low that indicate those two levels. To the upside, we do not have any price action above, so all of these levels are based on data, right? Our data tells us that the ADR for the S&P 500 is 0.75%, or the average daily range is 0.75%. So I essentially just drew this from the chessboard low and or the daily fib, because I don't anticipate price dropping too much further than that. And that sits us at about 67.4975 to roughly about 67.68. If that's the case, we can use the ADR as simply at a supply zone that is there, just hasn't been created yet. So I want you to keep that in mind as I talk about the levels that we're going for. To the bullish side, if I want to see the market go up higher, we're looking at about 2.24% to the upside. Usually you want to see the market trade down first. So if we trade down, there's a couple levels that I see, but this one most particularly down on the 1 hour time frame, there is a 1 hour fair value gap. That level sits between 66.80 and roughly about 66.69. I want to see the market trade back into this level and then travel up 2.24% into 68.29 by the week's end. Secondary level is the chessboard low, essentially this green box right here at 67 or 6,700, essentially like flat. 6,700 through roughly about the previous day low, which is 66.8725.